This pet bird didn't just do tricks, it was stealing cash. This bird was making its owner thousands of dollars. Whenever it spotted someone with money, like a man riding by on a motorcycle, it would quickly snatch the cash from a pocket and fly straight back to its owner. The bird was so sharp that any time it noticed someone carrying bills, it would swoop in, grab the money, and get away before the person even realized what happened. The owner got tired of working every day, so he trained the bird to bring back cash and rewarded it with tasty food. Before long, the bird got so greedy it would steal from anyone, even a homeless man.